Meaning of four-ply.
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 Four-ply. Four-ply refers to a type of fabric or paper that is made up of 4 layers. This term is commonly used when describing tissues or toilet paper. The 4 layers provide additional thickness and absorbency, making the product stronger and more durable. Four-ply tissues are ideal for people with allergies or sensitive skin as they are less likely to tear or break during use. Additionally, four-ply toilet paper may be preferred for its softness and strength, providing a more comfortable and efficient cleaning experience.